Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you on how to download a copy of your Instagram information in Account Center. So, let's get started. 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. 2. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right. 3. Access the settings by tapping the gear icon at the top. 4. Tap See More to find the Account Center option. 5. Within the Account Center, locate and tap Your Information and Permissions. 6. Look for the Download Your Information option and select it. 7. Initiate the download process by tapping Request a Download. 8. Choose the profiles for which you want to download information and tap Next. 9. Decide whether you want a complete copy of your information or prefer to select specific types. 10. Customize the information types you wish to download for each profile. 11. Finally, submit your download request by tapping Submit Request. That's it! You've successfully requested a download of your Instagram information through Account Center. Now you can have a copy of your data for safekeeping or any other purposes. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.